In this video, I'm going to share how we made $434,000, how these guys made $425,000, and the process is pretty much similar. We do, and they do almost exactly the same thing. We help people get answers on the internet using simple 1-minute videos, and we make those videos using 3 to 5 minutes of our times using mostly softwares like my software Epic, which is coming free for you. Link is in the description. You can grab it anytime you want. And this system that I am talking about is 100% beginner friendly. It can be done by anyone without experience, without technical knowledge, from anywhere in the world, without a website, without hosting server, without mailing list, and without social following. And you can make money in the step-by-step system I'm about to lay out in this video. So stick to the end of the video. But before we move forward, we make money, and we made all this money using videos. What we do is we make videos to answer questions of the customers like this. All these 15,000 customers paid us this money. But to get there, we don't use videos like this. We don't make videos using cameras and microphones in our other 20+ channels. We don't use a huge team of freelancers or in-house editors to make videos. We simply use Epic. Epic is an artificial intelligence software. It writes the scripts for us using artificial intelligence. Epic turns that script into natural sounding voiceover, so we don't have to record our voice using microphone. And then Epic makes videos using image, texts, and links. Epic makes bite-sized videos and save them. And then in one click, it compiles all the small segments and turn them into a long video without editing. This is how we can manage 20+ channels in day-to-day basis using 3 to 5 minutes of our times for each video. Anyone, any beginner can do it, and you can do it too. Epic is free, link is in the description, go grab it. I'm going to show you how we make money, but before that, the goal of this channel is to help 100 million people in the next 10 years learn how to make money online, the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. And the only one way we can achieve this is with your help. All we want from you is a hit in the like and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, email, SMS, WhatsApp, Telegram contacts, everyone you know and you think who needs to learn how to make money online. This way you help us, help others, and you help your friends and family learn how to make money online. They will love you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers and clients. This is how we are loved and we make money. Similarly, a lot of people do it, and you can do it too. Go ahead, hit the like and share button. And by the way, if you subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button, YouTube will notify you as the most important viewer when we will upload our next money making video. So go ahead, hit like, share, subscribe. So how do we get all these customers? The answer is pretty simple. We answer people's questions. So let me show you a question. Every month, 22,000 people Google online, why should we hire you? Now, who are these 22,000 people who look for the phrase or key phrase, why should we hire you? Are they employers, or these are the people who are looking for jobs? Chances are these are the people who are looking for jobs the most. And these are the people who got this question asked multiple times. So before they prepare for an interview, they search online and try to learn the best answer for it. And you see all these websites have got the answers, and they get all these visitors. These are the customers. Now, creating website content is a hard work. Even making videos like this is not easy at all. But let me show you. I just searched on YouTube with the same question, why should we hire you? And just after a few videos, we got the shorts feed. You see this? Shorts feed. This shorts feed contains 1 minute long tall videos. They have to be under 1 minute long. So in order to get benefits from shorts, you can't even make longer videos even if you want to. So you have to work less. And with Epic, you can make shorts using 3 to 5 minutes of your time. So The first video got 75,000 views. The second video got 138,000 views, 1 million views and 8,000 views. And I can read on and on. 57,000 views, 6.7 thousand views, 5.7 thousand views. There are hundreds of thousands of shorts and all the videos are getting views. Why? Because shorts is a new feature on YouTube and YouTube is trying to make them popular by pushing the shorts creators and sending viewers and customers to the shorts to inspire more and more people make shorts in order to compete with TikTok and Instagram and Facebook Reels as well. This is the best chance, the best opportunity to get free customers, and that's exactly what we do. So instead of making all these websites, which is absolutely okay, there is no problem making websites, it perfectly works. If you are on website building, go ahead, keep doing what you're doing, but don't miss this opportunity of making shorts and getting free traffic from and free customers from YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels. But don't work hard. Focus on helping people. Focus on answering their questions within short time using Epic. Link is in the description. It's free for my YouTube viewers. Go grab it. Now, once you start answering people's questions and they will love your content, they will trust because you're telling the truth, you should put your affiliate links in the description of your videos, in the first comments, and make that comment pinned comment and put them into your bios of Instagram and TikTok. Inside your videos, instruct your viewers if they like your content and they want to buy, they can click your link in the description, the first comment and in the bios and buy from you. This way they also support your channels. And a lot of people will click and a lot of people will purchase and you will make money. This is exactly what we do and look at the reward. Pretty good. Basically, you will make $2.78 per click you receive from those viewers. A lot of times we make $5, a lot of times we make $7, $10, and sometimes we make a little less, but it's totally fine. On the average, we are making $2.72, $5, or $6. But that's not all. Let me show you the second phase. Go ahead, look on YouTube how people are answering this question, learn yourself, start creating contents. Once you start earning money from affiliate marketing, record your journey in affiliate marketing using Epic and bundle up your videos. Then go to Udemy. Udemy is a website that basically sells bundle of videos as course or online course to their customers, and they have 103 million monthly customers. A lot of them are built in. They are always on Udemy buying and trying new skills from different courses, and a lot of them, I mean 21.5%, comes from Google. So by uploading your videos on Udemy, you're basically selling to Udemy's customers and Google's customers without SEO or any kind of extra advertising cost. That is so dope. And look at this. This person basically sold his interview training, ask better questions, hire better people course on Udemy to 21,261 students at $19.99 price point and made $425,007 in the process. That's an extra $400,000. How cool is that? Well, if you look at Udemy and search with the keyword "why should we hire you," you will find 10,000 results. So many people are selling this type of course on this type of topic, and everybody is making money. So as you answer your questions on your videos and you keep publishing on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, bundle them up and upload them on Udemy as online course, Udemy will send you traffic and customers. You will make free money. Now here's a trick. At the beginning, as a beginner seller or teacher, you should not immediately start charging for your courses because you don't have rating, you don't have feedbacks from existing students. So start giving away your course for free. Look at this. This topic has 1,674 free courses. Why? Because these people don't have students. They now need feedback. You do the same. And then put your course links in the descriptions, comments, and bios of your videos and ask your viewers to get your free course from Udemy. They will get your course and leave you a positive feedback and high rating. That is the time Udemy and Google will start taking notice about your course and they will send you more and more customers. That is the point when you start charging for your course. Turn it into paid course. Now look at this. There are 1,674 free courses, but as soon as they start getting feedbacks and ratings from their students, they start charging money, and so many courses are making money. Looks good? It's super easy, super awesome. Starts today from Epic. Epic is free, link is in the description, go grab it. Let's make a product review video using Epic. First, copy the headline, go to the text section and paste the text. Click the add text button to add the text on the canvas. Now here is a beautiful thing. You can copy image address or the link or the URL, go to the image section and just paste it here, and immediately the image will be on the canvas without uploading or downloading hassle. Now add a voiceover, go to the audio section and go down below text to audio, give it a title, select your favorite voiceover artist and paste the text. Then one click of a button and the voiceover is ready. You can use the text to generator artificial intelligence to generate unique text for you anytime you want, for anything you want. Now we want to add another clip. For that, go to the top right section and clone the current clip. Let's play with the image size a little bit to fit the image and make room for some text. Copy this product detail text from Amazon and paste it here. Do a little customization and add the text on the canvas. Then play with the size, shape and location to match your taste. Change the type of font if you want. Take a little section from the text and turn it into your audio voiceover. Let's add another clip and upload an image. Image is uploaded and added into the canvas. Add another image, rotate and pan. Play around a little bit to match your taste. This is the technical details section and we need to add another voiceover using text to audio. For the next section, we will take screenshot of a positive feedback or a review from customers. Use the highlighting elements to highlight the important parts of the review. Upload the review on another clip. Name this section as customer review section and copy the link of another image. Add it on the canvas by pasting the link. Little panning and zooming to fit your taste. Take a section of the text and create an text audio voiceover. Once you are done, click the render button and the video will be ready in the backend and you will be notified using email when the video is ready.
Sunny Health and Fitness Unisex Adult Review. Buy it from the link in the first comment and in description.
Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it so you learn how to make money online. The easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. All we want from you is a hit on the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media networks, and all your personal contacts, your SMS contacts, email contacts, chat contacts, Reddit, Telegram, WhatsApp contacts. This way, you help us hit our goal of helping 100 million people learn how to make money online in the next 10 years, and you help your friends and family learn the same. We will send you more free contents and your friends and family will love you, will follow you, and eventually will become your first customers and clients. Sounds good? Go ahead, like and share. And by the way, if you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, YouTube will notify you as the most premium user when we will upload our next money making video. And we will see you in the next video.